In creating the intro video, we'll be using a particular app called Intro Maker. This particular app I'm circling. The app is specifically designed for creating intro videos. So I will be putting a download link to which you can use in downloading the app in the video description. So once you have the app like this, let us look into the app and see how the app's interface looks like. So as you can see, this is how the app's interface looks like. The app is designed with many videos you can manipulate into your own intro videos. As you can see, this is the app. So once you locate the video you want to use, you will just click on the video. So this is the new interface you'll be having. So you click on create button. You click on create button. After clicking on the create button, we have edit logo, your text, change music. So you can edit the logo, you can change the text, you can as well change the music using the music from your own phone. So you will just click on edit logo to edit the logo. So once you click on the edit logo, you will be having a new interface like this. We have the gallery. You can use a logo from your gallery, and the app is also designed with many logo you can use from the logo template. As you can see, this is the so you can just use one of the logo from the template. As you can see, this is the template. It is designed with many different logos you can use, but if you don't like using these logos, you can just use a logo from your gallery. So once you enter your gallery like this, you locate the folder, you have the logo. So this is I'll be using the logo is in Pixel app. So I will just click on the logo, then click on next. So once you click on next, as you can see, the logo has been imported into the app. So you can increase the size using this size button. So you increase the size using the size button. So this is the size button. So once you have it like this, you click on, after resizing the logo, you click on this mark button. So you click on the mark button. So let's see, as you can see now, the logo has been changed to my own logo. So you can also click on this text to change the text. So you click on the text, then you tap on this where I am pointing the arrow. You tap on it to edit the text. So I will be editing the text. Your number one graphics design channel. So you can just click on done. Then as you can see now, we have many features under this text editing. You can also reduce the size of the text, as well as you can see we have the font. You can change the font. Let me change the font. As you can see, I've changed the font. We have different kind of font here you can change it to. We have colors. You can change the colors to any color of your choice. So as you can see now, we have stroke. You can give it stroke. You can increase the spacing, and you can as well reduce the spacing. We have the gradient, we have the pattern, and we have the effect. As you can see, we have the grid effect. So as you can see now, after you've done with the text editing, so you will just click on this mark button. You click on this mark button. So you will see now the text will have also been changed. So as you can see now, the text has been changed, but you can see it is a little bit bigger. So let me edit the text. Let me reduce the size a little bit. So let us check this. So as you can see now, your number one graphics designer channel. So as you can see now, this is how you can use the app. So after done with the editing, you just click on the start making button to save the intro video. So as you can see now, the intro video is being saved. So let's wait while the video intro is being saved. So after saving the video, you have your video in your gallery. You have the intro video in your gallery, and that's how you can use this app in creating your intro video. Don't forget, you can have the app using the link in the video description.